Dreamstime.com audio.
Hi, I am Charan. I am from Nagar, Telangana, and I have completed my UG in Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science. My inspiration behind GATE is like getting into IIT is a big dream. So after UG, I solely concentrated on GATE. Yeah, IGC was a big support from the starting. Like from the past 6 months, they have helped me to get a good score actually. They have motivated me. They have trained me so well that I got good. Those who want to write GATE 2024 or 2025, they should be working very hard from the 5-6 months before itself. They should be very consistent and they should be like revising everything on a time every time. My future plan is to like get placed in something government job like DRDO and everything, but I'm looking forward to join where I can be more included in learning new things.